Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Gold Bond Rapid Relief Anti-Itch Cream. Yeah, so I used this absolutely for the first time about a week ago. I bought some of this because I was out in the bushes, actually at a park not too long ago. I was playing, ball with my son. I ran into this bunch of bushes and looking for the ball, I ran across, these odd looking bushes, and I really don't know what it was. But at the end of the day, I started feeling like some itching, and a little rash broke out on one of my arms. And I could only think it had to do with me running into those bushes. It had to be either some kind of a poison oak, a poison ivy, or something like that. Because I'm not really sure what those look like too clearly. There was all kind of different leaves in there. Yeah, I went and got some of this because a friend of mine told me this helps it. Because this rash that I got on my arm, which is gone now, actually was itching really a lot. You wanted to scratch so badly. I mean, it was itchy, and it was kind of, as when I was scratching it, it would raise up off the skin. So, kind of, looked a little bit swollen as I was itching it, and it was turning red. So I was like, oh man, I need something. So I went and got some of this, and this is Gold Bond, and it's a rapid relief of itching. Any kind of itching due to rash or poison oak, poison ivy, even minor burns and cuts or something like that. It helps. It really takes away that, relatively speaking. I mean, it's not like when I put it on, it's not like it went away entirely. It still felt a little uncomfortable there, but that overwhelming sense of itch was gone. Like it really relaxed, especially when I was trying to sleep. It was bad. So I put this on there, and it really relieved it. I put it on there, rubbed it in, and just let it do its thing. You don't want to rub it so much that it irritates it more. You don't want to rub that area too much. Just put it on there lightly and just blend it in a little bit. You will see that the itch goes away. Now the way it looks is kind of like a toothpaste, kind of like that. It's white. When I saw it, I thought it was going to be like clear, but it wasn't. See, it's kind of the consistency of kind of like more of a lotiony, like a more liquidy type of toothpaste. Little more than lotion, but a little less than toothpaste, right in the middle. Yeah. So you would rub this in gently. It takes away the itch, and it works really well. I heard Gold Bond has been around for a very long time. Actually, I've heard this name before, and I've seen it in the store before, but I've never really needed it like this time. So it works. It works very well, and I'm glad I used it. Like I said, I'm not really sure that caused that, but I think it had to be either poison ivy or poison oak or something like that, because it was really, that's the only thing I did, that day that, I came in contact with, and it was only on one arm, and it's just, and it just had to be that. And went out right away and got some of this stuff, and it works. It really works well. And I like the way that it rubs in so easily. It rubs into your skin with hardly any effort at all, So, I mean, if I take like a dab it like here a bit, yeah, and you just kind of put it on there like this. See, now if I had the rash on, say, like this part of my skin, this would be like maybe a little bit too much, because it kind of goes on a little bit oily, so I would put less than that. But when you get it on there and get it, nice and rubbed in, it really takes away that feeling of itch. It really does. And it makes the pain go away. It's really good. Oh, well, okay. I hope you guys use this information. And this is the Gold Bond Rapid Relief Anti-Itch Cream. Okay, I hope you guys use this. I will talk to you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.